Asana versus Airtable, which one should you choose for managing your projects? Both are widely popular in the project management space, but one of them may be better suited for your needs. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool wins and why. First, let's talk about Asana. Asana's strength lies in its simplicity. It's well known for its clean and intuitive user interface, making it easy for teams to get started without a steep learning curve. If you're looking for a basic task management system with advanced collaboration features, Asana is solid. You can easily assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress with simple yet effective views. But here's the thing, once you dig deeper into its features, you'll notice that it lacks some of the flexibility Airtable offers, especially when you need something more customizable for complex workflows. Next, Airtable. This tool is a game changer when it comes to customization. Airtable lets you create complex databases, manage large sets of data, and view it all in a variety of ways, from simple grid views to Kanban, calendar, and even gallery views. If you need to manage projects with multiple dependencies and intricate details, Airtable is a winner. However, this flexibility comes with a downside. Airtable's interface can feel overwhelming at first, and it may take some time to fully grasp its potential. Plus, if you're looking for a simple task manager, Airtable's complexity might be a bit too much. The third thing you need to consider is integrations. Both Asana and Airtable offer a wide range of integrations with other tools, but Asana has a slight edge here. It connects seamlessly with major tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. Airtable does offer integrations too, but they tend to be more complex and may require third-party tools for certain connections. If you're working in an environment with many pre-existing tools, Asana might save you some time. Next up, pricing. Both Asana and Airtable offer free plans with limited features, but when you want more, things get interesting. Asana's pricing is straightforward, with a free plan, a premium plan for small teams, and a business plan for larger teams with advanced features. Airtable, on the other hand, is a little trickier. It offers a free plan, but its paid plans are based on the number of records you need, which can get pricey if you're managing large projects or lots of data. The fifth thing to consider is customer support. Asana provides great customer support with resources like tutorials, articles, and a responsive help center. Airtable also has a decent support team, but you might need to rely on their community forums more than you'd like for answers to complex questions. If you need quick, reliable support, Asana might be the safer bet here. Now, the most important part. I've used both Asana and Airtable extensively. Both are strong, reliable tools, but for a lot of teams, there's a better option. If you want a project management tool that combines the simplicity of Asana with the customization of Airtable, without the steep learning curve or pricing headaches, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. After trying all the options myself, I've found that this tool offers the best of both worlds and more. You can take advantage of their exclusive free trial through the link in the description. Trust me, this is the best way to experience a more efficient and flexible solution for managing your projects. So, while Asana and Airtable have their merits, I believe the alternative I'm recommending will give you the best value for your time and effort. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free trial and exclusive benefits only available to you.